So, you are new to this Python world. You go to python.org, download your favorite Python installation file and install it. Installation successful. Yeah, but bam, why do I get this error? Calm down. I'm here to help you. So you're getting this error because you haven't set your Python part yet. Okay, but how do I do so? Simple. Go to Start, search Python. You will find something like Python and your version name or Python ideally. Right click and open file location. Now you see a bunch of shortcut files. Again, right click on either of them. Open file location. Now you can see your holy python.exe. Now you copy the directory where python.exe is located and again go to the start menu. Type envir and you see edit the system environment variables. Click on that and below you will find environment variables. Click on environment variables. Now you can see system variables. Scroll down and you will see path. Double click on path, click new, paste your copied link, enter. Okay. Now restart your command prompt. Type Python, enter. Yeah, it's solved, right? I hope you like this video. Subscribe to my channel for more such debugging videos. Tada!